guys, welcome back to the channel, man. Before I start, man, I want to thank everybody for subscribing, man, jumping on board, joining the family. This channel is really growing. I think we had 3,000 subscribers, man. I really appreciate each and every one of y'all. I am actually working on some merchandise. I'm not real big on the merch thing. I mean, I think it's something that, you know, if you guys want it, I'll definitely put the effort in trying to provide merch for you guys. And I'll definitely wear it in my videos, but it's no pressure. If you buy it, appreciate it. If you don't, still got love for you. But if it's your first time joining my channel, man, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, man, to join the family so you can stay updated on the videos. Now, got that out the way. Now, everybody's dropping these 2020 wide body Hellcat videos. Me personally, I'm not impressed. I think Dodge is definitely milking this whole this generation of the Charger. I think they are milking it. I see the Challenger Hellcat wide body. I like that car. That is a very nice ride. I like the red eye. The Challenger red eye is definitely a nice car. If you watch my last video I uploaded with my pops, he's definitely looking into buying a red eye. Let's keep our fingers crossed that he go ahead and get it. But I really think that Dodge is milking this whole wide body thing because, first of all, it's just too expensive to me. I mean, why would I run out and buy a wide body Charger and spend, you know what, I don't know, they're probably going to be about 80 grand when you can just buy a regular one. And there's people who are already adding their own wide body kits to the Charger. So I just think that Dodge needs to just go ahead and completely redesign the Chargers and Challengers and just stop with all these little bolt-on, add-on things that they're doing to the Chargers and Challengers, because it's making them seem cheap to me. And it's just my opinion. Don't get me wrong, I love my Chargers and Challengers, but I just think that there's no need to just jump and run out and buy a wide-body Charger. I watched Kevin Van Voort's video, and he made a good point. It's just like, would he run out and buy one? No, really no point, because it's pretty much the same car. Okay, you get maybe 10 more horsepower. What is it, 717? But that doesn't rule out his Hellcat he already has just because they come out with a wide body. So I just think that Dodge needs to just move on and let this thing go, man, and just completely redesign the cars, because the interior is outdated and old. They need to update that. And they only added 10 more horsepower. So there's really no need to run out and spend 80 grand. But if you guys do run out and trade in your Hellcat, then that means I can get me a Hellcat, because the prices on the other Hellcats are going to go down. So yeah, go ahead and run out and buy you a wide body Charger. So that means I can go ahead and get me a Hellcat instead of getting a Scat Pack. But I'm pretty sure y'all probably already seen this video, but I'm gonna play it anyway. And this is a video, and I'll leave the link in the description of the Instagram account that the guy who had this video right here, he was actually just out riding and he happened to come across this video. And as you see, it is a wide body Charger, but if you look at the fenders, they really aren't that wide. I mean, I don't know if, like I say, this could be a pre-production. It's, you know, it's probably just a prototype, but at the same time, I'm just not really impressed. So I just think that Dodge really needs to just let this thing go, man, and just come out with something different. We need new products, man. We need everything just need to be redone. They already messed up with the Trickhawk. Now they're gonna come out with this wide body Charger. So I just think they need to just go ahead and revamp the whole thing, man. Start over and come out with something new, man, because to just keep adding these little parts to these cars, and, you know, now all of them look alike. You can have a V6 and looks like a SRT. I mean, they just need to go, because what's going to eventually happen, you're going to end up getting a damn wide body V6 Charger. And that's really going to make our cars look cheap, man. And I just think that would be a big mistake if Dodge did that. So that's just my 2 cents. Leave your comments, man. Let me know what y'all think about this wide body 2020 Hellcat. Like I say, I'm really not impressed. I mean, it is what it is. At the end of the day, still a Hellcat, and you know I'm a big Charger fan. Don't get me wrong, but I just think that Dodge should just move on. So again, leave your comments, man. Let me know how y'all feeling about this. And if this your first time joining my channel, man, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, man. And I see y'all on the next video. Peace.